Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Food Taipei Mega Shows, where you get to see the best out of the best from more than 1,000 exhibitors from 23 countries. All right, let's see what they have for us today.
Hi, Raymond.
Hi, Alan. Wow, I'm doing great. And you do have a great variety of very colorful packaging materials here. And ladies and gentlemen, Alan will give you more information today about how they do it. Okay. And once again, I'm visiting the Taiwan Excellence Award-winning company, Alan Plastic, and I'm very happy to have the account manager joining me right now. Alan, say hi to everybody.
Hi, Raymond. Hi, everybody.
Yes.
We are happy to be here at Taipei Pack and to introduce our production to our customers. And as you see, we are Alan Plastic Industry Company Limited, and we are located in Kaohsiung, South Taiwan.
Okay.
We are also a manufacturer with experiences in the field of shrink packaging and a series of shrink machines for about 45 years.
45 years.
Yeah,
Wow.
45 years. And simultaneously, we still keep improving our products and providing high quality service in order to let our customers trust us more.
Because I know Alan has a lot to show us today. So let's go. Okay, Alan, I see this very big guy here. So this is the first machine that you want to share with our viewers, Alan?
Yes, here are two parts that I want to introduce our products here. The first part is string sleeve machines.
This one?
And yes, this one. And then the first one is horizontal string sleeve machine. And especially horizontal string sleeve machines, and we got Taiwan Excellence Award in 2021, and it is certainly encouragement for us to get this award.
Yeah, only products with very best quality can take home the Taiwan Excellence Award. I have to tell you that. Okay.
And also here are 4 features as following at least. Also, the first one is the more durable with stainless steel. It means the machine will be more stronger than before. Okay. The second one, with HMI and the PLC controlling system, it means it is easy to use your finger to press the monitor to control your system and machine.
So that means the machine is very smart.
Yeah. Okay. The third one, it is suitable for small diameter products like this. Yeah, like this one. Yes. Okay. The final one, customized for client requirements.
Okay. And Alan, I know you have more for us, right?
Yeah.
So let's go. Yeah, Alan, we got one more machine here. What is it, Alan?
For the vertical string sleeve machines, here are also at least 4 features as following. Yeah, the first one is easy to adjust and cooperate. And the second one is it is easy to make component replacements. And the third one, a variety of applications such as food, beverage, and cosmetic products. And the final one, variety of sleeving styles, like it means you can be half body sleeve, full body sleeve, and overcap sleeve.
And in addition to the machines, I know that we also saw some packaging materials in the very beginning, right? Alan, would you please give us some more information?
Yeah, okay, here are the second part. I want to introduce our product is packaging materials. Yes, for further source, there are PE, PET, POF materials for string films, string labels, and string tubing.
Yes, so Alan Plastic really has a lot to offer. So I'm just wondering, what kinds of buyers you're looking for this year?
There are 2 parts of it. First one, I wanted to show our purpose here. And the purpose of Taipei Pack here for us is to expand more overseas clients for over the world. And what kind of buyers we want to search is that customers who have demands with their string packaging or a series of string machines. No matter what they are, food factory or food processing factory, or more specific detail like beverage or cosmetic, medicine, and no matter what, they are welcome to contact us.
Yes, and Alan, you just said that you want to explore overseas markets a little bit more, right? So in particular, any kinds of market sectors you're looking for?
Kind of any, I just say that the customer who have the demand with no matter what the packaging materials or string sewing machines, and You send the email, and you will get the professional estimations and the good service I will provide to you.
Yes, and that very much ends our visit here at Allen Plastic. I'm sorry, I just have one last question. Is this your company?
No.
Because they have your name on it.
No.
Just to clarify. All right.
Okay.
Just kidding. All right. So we really had a great time here at Allen Plastic. Thank you, Alan, for sharing so much with us today. And if you want to know more about Allen Plastic, talk to Alan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.